Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you how to display your product variants as separate products in your Shopify store using the Dawn theme. If you've ever wished your shoppers could see each color, size, or style as its own distinct item, great for boosting discoverability and making your store look even more professional, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set this up, step by step, and make your store truly shine. All right, let's dive right in. First, head over to your Shopify admin page. This is your main control center where you manage every aspect of your store. If you're already logged in, great. You'll see the familiar dashboard with all your options down the left-hand side. If you're not logged in yet, simply enter your credentials and let's get going. Next, look for the Apps section in that sidebar. Apps are powerful tools that can seriously expand your store's potential. And today, we'll be using one called Smart Product Filter and Search. Click on Apps, and then in the search bar, start typing Smart Product Filter and Search. You should see it pop up as a recommended or available app. Now, go ahead and click on the app to install it. If you haven't installed an app before, don't worry. Shopify makes this process really straightforward. Just follow the prompts to add Smart Product Filter and Search to your store. You might see a quick loading screen while it sets itself up. Once it's installed, there's usually an additional step, updating and syncing your data. This part is very important because the app needs to get a complete picture of all your current products and their variants, like different colors or sizes, so it can display them correctly. When you click to update and sync your data, you might notice this takes a little while, especially if you have hundreds of products or a bunch of variants. Don't worry if the progress bar seems slow. Just grab a coffee and let it run. It's a bit like organizing a packed closet. It takes time to sort everything so that you and your customers can find items more easily later on. Once the data sync is finished, head into the Smart Product Filter and Search app's settings. This is where the magic happens. You'll want to scroll down. Sometimes there are a lot of options. So take your time and look for the one labeled Show Variants as Separate Products. This setting is essentially asking, do you want each version of your product, a red shirt, a blue shirt, a large, or a medium, to have its own spotlight on your store shelves? For many stores, especially those with visually distinct options, this can make browsing a lot more intuitive and even help increase sales. All you have to do now is enable that option. Give it a click, and just like that, you've turned on the feature. Some stores immediately notice that their collections look fresher and more navigable. Each variant is now shown as if it's its own product, which helps shoppers quickly find exactly the look or style they're after. And that's it. Super simple, but it can make a huge difference for your customers. If at any point you feel unsure or something doesn't look right, remember these kinds of settings can always be tweaked again later. The Smart Product Filter and Search app is flexible, and Shopify keeps things user-friendly. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If it made your Shopify store easier to navigate or just look better, let me know by hitting that like button. If you have any questions or run into any issues, go ahead and leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And for more easy-to-follow Shopify tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your store.